Hey guys, so if you haven't already noticed, Miss Hogue is out today. She just got to feeling sicker and sicker last night and knew that if she came into work today, she wasn't going to be able to give you her best. So, no day is normal without our morning meeting. Today's February 25th. Our fun fact of the day is that Shutter's Candy Store in New Hampshire has a 112-foot candy counter. That's pretty interesting. Our Joker puzzle of the day. What is the pirate's favorite subject? Ready? Art. So Miss Hogue is going to play this video.
Hey everyone! Today we're going to be discussing appreciation. Someone once said that appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us as well. It's recognizing and enjoying the good qualities of someone or something. It can be described as a feeling or expression of admiration, approval, or gratitude. Taking the time to thank, value, and recognize what others do for us is a very clear and positive way of showing others our respect and appreciation. Thanking someone makes them feel great, and is also a good way to strengthen relationships too. Let's look at a scenario. Tom is a star football player at his school. He took the time to send personal thank you messages to all his coaches, teachers, and teammates for a great season. He thought that this would be a great way to show his appreciation. Reflection questions.
Alright, so we're going to do daily affirmations, then look at lunch, and then you're going to go into math. There's videos you can watch. You need to follow along with your pencil and math notebook open and writing what Miss Hogue writes. I didn't stay up late writing it for you just because. Alright, daily affirmation. I am brave. I am kind. I am smart. I am strong. I can do hard things. I never give up. I will succeed. I am safe. I am loved. And I want you to know that you are so, so, so loved. And I'm so sad that I'm not at school today. But boys and girls, Miss Hogue just does not feel well. So we're going to take a look at lunch for today. It's going to say the 24th because I'm making this tonight. The night of the 24th. So for lunch today, which is the 25th, beef and vegetable soup, which will be good because it's so cold outside, or grilled ham and cheese. The grains are cornbread, vegetables are a baked potato, and a fresh salad bar, and then fruit is pineapples or fruit assortment. I hope that you have a great day. We are going to spend dojo points on Monday. You have some cool things in store for today. You're going to get to go watch the play, and there's an extra recess that you're going to get to have at the end of the day because you're not going to be able to go to pull out because you're going to get to watch the play. So actually, you're getting to watch the play instead of having pull out, and you're getting a whole extra recess. So I hope that you have a great day. If you want to send me an email or a message on Google Classroom, you know how to do that. I love you all. I'll talk to you later, and I will see you Monday. I hope you have a great weekend. Hugs and love. Goodbye, guys.